Yeti! Yeti! Notice me!
Hi guys, we have another exciting video for you.
We're here tonight at the Aurora Winter Festival, which is an annual event here in Vancouver. So first of all, ticket prices. Ticket prices for adults are about $19. Also, parking is about $17, which is the event parking that they have closer to Aurora. But there's a lot of parking options around. We are about to see a lot of lights, a lot of Christmassy stuff.
Can't wait to try the food and the shops. Another thing that we're looking forward to are the rides. There's tubes and Ferris wheel and a lot more like ice skating rink.
I'm really excited for tonight. You ready?
Yes, I'm so excited.
We have a lot to cover, so let's go. Of course, it won't be winter without an official gigantic Christmas tree. Because it's Christmas season.
Color purple.
Purple light Christmas tree. Let's maybe take a look at this area first. I think this area is mostly like the rides and stuff. One thing to note, ride tickets are not included on the admission.
This is the berry-go-round.
It's a gigantic strawberry. I think that's a little too fast for the kids.
So we've decided to check out the marketplace first. And we're going to check out the rides later on. There's a small marketplace here with small booth of handmade crafts.
Right as you guys enter, you're gonna hit the marketplace over at your right here. These are all local merchants. Okay. Free samples.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want this glove, it's so sparkly. So nice and sparkly.
Do you think this hot chocolate can beat the hot chocolate at Vancouver Christmas Market?
I don't know. Let's find out. You know, it's delicious when it's made from scratch.
I think it's just a regular hot chocolate. I like the one from the Vancouver Christmas Market. I don't think you're gonna go hungry once you're here because there's a lot of food options around. I take back what I said. It's starting to get really good, this hot chocolate.
It's good now.
Yeah, it's worth it. It's like pure chocolate that they melted and added sugar.
We just discovered that there's a lot of hot chocolate booths. There are hot chocolate with macadamia, white hot chocolate, and the one here behind me has hot chocolate with Baileys and Kahula. You know, with liquor.
We could try them all. We found a Filipino food truck. Look at that. Manila, Vancouver, and they even have a parole.
Hi, kamusta mga kababayan?
Hello po.
Filipino sinigang fries.
Sinigang?
Yes, that's very good. Here we go. Try. Ay, nakabuna ka na. Sarap yan. And then, if you want to order, the adobo fries is good.
I got Kevin bacon. It's mac and cheese with bits of bacon.
Ah.
So hungry. Mac and cheese. It's very cheesy and creamy. It's really good. It's still hot. You can taste the bacon and the cheese. They have a bad Santa flavor. I was thinking of getting it. It's with cooked ham and pineapple. I'm not sure about the pineapple and macaroni.
So do you guys remember these food trucks from the PNE fair during summer? If you guys haven't seen our first video with PNE during summer, we'll link it down on the description down below. One thing I noticed is all the rides like this one is all spread out. Like there's only enough rides for the entire park, right? And I think they spread it out a little bit. So you can see all of this space. But this is an ice skating rink. You want to ice skate?
Doesn't look like there's a lot of ice.
Oh yeah, it's pretty thin, eh? Unfortunately, the main ride, the tube park, is closed tonight. You can't ride the tube park tonight.
That's too sad. I want to try it.
Maybe next time. There's a live band performing. They should have played like Christmas music, right?
Yeah, they're
Like Christmas
playing,
songs?
they're playing rock music.
Oh, it's Santa's sleigh, look! This looks more like the sleigh from Elf, right? Like the one that Buddy was fixing. Remember?
Go Dasher!
Look, yeah, she's not even paying attention to me.
Go Dasher! Go Rudolph!
So one thing I noticed, you know what?
What?
Since they're doing it at the PNE this year, which is such a bigger space, all the attractions are all scattered throughout the area. Unlike if ever they do it downtown like what they did last year, it feels a lot more intimate. You know, it's easier to like jump between attractions. What do you think?
I think I like it when the space is bigger.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I think there's more room for more.
Room for more attractions, I guess.
attractions.
Do you ever sing Christmas carols? Do you think we could do just a little bit of one before I have to go? Do you know the one about the horse? Do you know this one? With the horse and they end up in this snowbank. It's, there's a horse called Bobtail. It goes, jingle bells, jingle bells. Do you know this one? Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun!
There's the ride!
Horse open sleigh.
Hey!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Thank you very much.
That was fun, right?
I've never seen Santa in his pajamas.
Yeah, he's not wearing the regular red Santa costume.
Yeah.
I guess it's Santa's workshop, so he's not obliged to wear the red Santa suit.
He's not on duty.
He's not on duty.
Christmas yet. Time to reload it.
Right, shoot for that one. The one laying down.
Standing on the roof. Thanks.
Ah, what a fail. We are about to enter the mystical worlds.
Frozen.
Frozen walls. Oh. It's so bright. It's so colorful.
There's a Yeti here. Let's check it out.
Oh, there's another penguin over here.
There's a flower.
Oh yeah.
What do you call this part?
I think we're entering the whimsical forest.
Very whimsical.
Oh, looks so cool. It's like they're traveling. It's like mini pixies just going around the forest, right? Very Harry Potter-ish. Well, you press the button and the light changes. Try the other one. Try the other button. Ah. Where's this going to?
It's heading to the party. Let's go have some party.
This is going to a disco den. That was fun, right?
It's a club for kids. Teach them young.
I feel like I'm so small because of this gigantic animal sculptures. Yeti! Yeti! Notice me! We found Santa's sleigh again.
Look how big the reindeer is.
If you download their app, you can instantly play their quests. How fun is that?
That's it for tonight, guys. What was your favorite part?
What was my favorite part? I like the ones that like the characters were like roaming around. That was pretty fun, right? Like they just interact with the guests. One more thing I liked too, it was the rainbow tunnel. A massive amount of lights in there.
I like that one too. It's also nice that we came in early to avoid the crowd. So there's not a lot of people in the tunnel. You can take a lot of selfies.
What about you? What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was walking in the woods full of light.
The whimsical forest.
The whimsical, yeah, it's so nice. And the benches that are like glowing.
One part of this entire journey too was the food. There's a lot of food trucks, so you won't go hungry because there's a lot of food options around. And not to mention all the choices for the hot chocolates. You can't really go with a winter festival without trying their
hot chocolate.
With their special hot chocolates.
The Aurora Winter Festival is open until January 5th.
And also make sure you plan your trip because you could meet Santa on his workshop.
And Mrs. Claus. If you like this kind of video, make sure to like and subscribe.
And if you have any suggestions on what we should be filming, make sure to put down in the comments down below.
Until then, see you on our next vlog.
And thanks for watching. Bye!